That airlines hate smart flyers for using. Flying seems simple until you're the one sprinting to the gate, juggling bags, and wondering why this always turns into a hassle. But today, you're about to learn 25 airport hacks airlines don't want you to know, and trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Let's jump straight in. Security-savvy hacks. 1. Charge your devices or risk a delay. Imagine TSA asking you to power on your laptop, and it's dead. Awkward. If your device doesn't turn on, they can pull you aside for extra screening, which wastes time and raises eyebrows. No one wants to start their trip being that person at security holding up the line. Charging everything fully before leaving home is the easiest way to avoid that 20-minute awkward security check. Second, electric toothbrush trap. Here's a sneaky one. Some electric toothbrushes have lithium batteries that flag security scanners instantly. If you don't want to explain why your dental hygiene gear is beeping in public, pack it in your checked luggage. It's always these little things that trip travelers up at the worst times. 3. The vacuum trick for max space. This is the space-saving hack you'll wish you tried sooner. Roll your clothes, put them in a large Ziploc or vacuum bag, and suck out all the air. Suddenly, you've got double the suitcase space without paying for extra luggage. Your bulky winter coat suddenly shrinks down to nothing. Compression bags are worth every penny if you travel light. Bonus tip, you can even sit on the bag to squeeze the air out if there's no vacuum around. True travel, MacGyver move. 4. The one-bag rule they actually enforce. Foil-wrapped snacks might seem innocent, but X-ray machines see them as solid black blocks, which raises suspicion. Suddenly, you're pulled aside for a bag check over a sandwich. Why take the risk over a snack when a clear bag works just fine? Stick with clear bags or parchment paper to avoid unnecessary hassle. 5. Foil is a security nightmare. Foil-wrapped snacks might seem innocent, but X-ray machines see them as solid black blocks, which raises suspicion. Suddenly, you're pulled aside for a bag check over a sandwich. Why take the risk over a snack when a clear bag works just fine? Stick with clear bags or parchment paper to avoid unnecessary hassle. Packing pro hacks. 6. Shower caps for dirty shoes. $1 shower caps are an underrated packing hero. Cover the soles of your shoes before packing them to keep dirt and grime away from your clean clothes. Simple, light, and surprisingly effective for keeping your suitcase fresh. 7. Bundle wrapping. No wrinkles. Forget folding. Bundle wrapping is where it's at. Start with small, soft items like socks and underwear in the center, and wrap larger clothes around them. It's like creating a compact clothing burrito that arrives crease-free at your destination. 8. Tissue paper secret. A stylist's old-school trick: place tissue paper between folded clothes. It prevents sharp creases and keeps your outfits fresh-looking even after long-haul flights. The weight is negligible, but the results are always impressive for business travelers. 9. Stuff your shoes. Shoes are sneaky storage compartments. Fill them with small items, think socks, belts, chargers, even fragile items like sunglasses, wrapped carefully. Just maybe avoid using sweaty gym shoes for this trick if you care about freshness. 10. Wax. Your suitcase. Yes, really. Rub a regular candle along your fabric suitcase. It creates a makeshift water-repellent layer that'll help during surprise downpours or those dreaded coffee spills at the airport cafe. It's a small trick, but it can save your clothes from soggy disasters when least expected. Airport survival hacks. 11. Peel off old bag tags. Leaving old flight stickers on your luggage? Big mistake. Those barcodes can confuse baggage scanners, sending your suitcase on an unplanned trip to the wrong city. Always peel off old tags before you check in at the counter. 12. The "Did TSA search me?" clue. Ever found a random sticker or slip inside your bag? That's TSA's subtle sign they went through your stuff. It's not a huge deal, but if you're packing anything unusual, like artisanal cheese, prepare for extra attention. 13. Carry on your chargers. If your luggage goes missing, you can buy new clothes. But if you don't have your phone charger, you're stranded. Always keep essential chargers and power banks in your carry-on. It's a small habit that saves big headaches. 14th, sunglasses case, cable hack. Tired of wrestling with tangled wires mid-flight? Store your charging cables and headphones in an old sunglasses case. It keeps them neat, protected, and ready for use without the frustration of knots. 15. Dryer sheets, fresh suitcase. Pop a couple of dryer sheets in your suitcase. They neutralize odors, keep your clothes smelling fresh, and even prevent static cling. You'll arrive at your destination with a suitcase that smells like a laundry commercial. In-flight hacks. 16th window seat warning. Window seats are great for views, but the plane wall gets cold fast. Always pack a light sweater or scarf, even if you're heading somewhere tropical. Mid-flight chills can surprise even seasoned travelers. 17. Never drink airplane tap water. Hot drinks on planes are made with water from onboard tanks. And guess what? Those tanks aren't always cleaned as often as they should be. Stick to bottled water or sealed drinks to avoid any unpleasant surprises. 18. The dirtiest spot on the plane. You'd think it's the bathroom, but no. It's your tray table. Those things rarely get sanitized properly. Wipe it down before you eat unless you're okay with sharing germs from hundreds of previous passengers. 19. Book early flights, less delays. Morning flights have fewer delays. Simple reason. Planes haven't had time to fall behind schedule yet. Bonus? The air is calmer in the morning, so if you hate turbulence, early flights are your best bet. 20. Secret perk of back rows. Most people avoid the back of the plane, but here's an insider tip. Flight attendants often slip back row passengers extra snacks. It's easier for them to be discreet without the whole cabin watching you. 21st. Neck pillow pressure. Hack. Inflate your neck pillow to about 80% before takeoff. At altitude, air pressure will naturally expand it for a snug, comfortable fit. Fully inflating it on the ground leads to a puffy, uncomfortable mess. 22. Order special meals, even if you're not special. Request a vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free meal, even if you don't strictly need it. They're often fresher and served before standard meals. It's a simple hack to ensure you get fed first. 23. Bring an empty water bottle. You can't bring liquids through security, but an empty bottle? Totally fine. Fill it up at a water fountain post-security and save yourself from overpriced bottled water at the gate. 24. Offline. Maps are a lifesaver. Download offline maps of your destination before you fly. Airport Wi-Fi can be spotty, and you'll appreciate having reliable navigation when you land, especially if you're in a rush. 25th. Book seats. Near the wing for less turbulence. Want a smoother flight? Book a seat over the wing. It's the plane's center of gravity, so you'll feel fewer bumps during turbulence. A subtle difference, but crucial for nervous flyers. And there you have it. 25 airport hacks. Airlines wish you didn't know. Which one blew your mind? Was it the toothbrush trap, the back row snack hookup, or are you already plotting your tissue paper wrinkle defense? Drop a comment below with your favorite flying trick. And hey, if you found these tips useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel secrets they won't put in the in-flight magazine. Safe travels, my friend. May your flights be smooth, your seats be comfy, and your suitcase always weigh 0.1 pounds under the limit.